Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Gonna be doing something I've actually never done before, which is chicken fried bacon. And I was racking my brain to come up with what I wanted to do with it. But I already done breakfast twice now, so I thought maybe I'll do a sandwich, but what kind? And I thought chicken? No. So I'm gonna do like a burger dip with chicken fried bacon on it with some sauteed mushrooms. And I got these hoagie rolls from the bakery in Black Diamond. I thought, well, they're not super soft, so maybe I'll toast it up and then I'll dip it in the au jus. So be like a burger dip, but with chicken fried bacon and salted mushrooms on it. I guess. See how it works out. All right. So you can probably guess. I'm slightly winging it here. So I've got my pan for the meat. I cooked bacon in this morning, so there's only just bacon grease left over. I'm not worried about it. Pot here for the au jus. Oil, which I've got. I'm starting to heat up. This is actually going to be floating in oil. And then my mushrooms will be here, and I'm gonna get my bacon prepped. This is just 6 strips of pepper bacon. I'm only gonna use half. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take half of these. I cut it in half, so it's 6 pieces. I may not have room on the sandwich for all 6, but we'll just see what happens. I've got my flour already out, my egg wash ready to go, and no room, so it's gonna be bacon, then we'll go into the egg wash, then I'll go in the flour, then I'll dip it in the oil, let it fry. Got my tongs here for flipping, and then hopefully everything else will come together. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get my roll prepped. Use this nice big guy here. It feels soft on the inside, but it's got kind of a harder crusty type bread, which hopefully will work out. Alright, see if I can cut this bread open okay. Oops. Alright, I just softened up some butter in the microwave because I want to do like a garlic butter like bread. I think my oil is ready, but I'm messing around with the butter. Garlic seasoning. Alright, got that prepped. Let's see what we can do here. I temped the oil and the oil looked like it was ready, so. Oh, I left the bacon. This is pepper bacon, so. looking pretty golden brown.
Alright.
Just stirring my mushroom. Go ahead and I'll do the other 3 off camera.
Alright, I think these other 3 are done.
There they are. They look pretty good. Kill the heat on that. Mushrooms are done. Saute them up. I got the meat going now. As you can tell, I'm doing it. That's a whole ½ pound. Sorry about the camera movement, but damn it. Sorry about that. Okay, it's gonna be a while for the beef, so I'll have to pause. So the beef got a little bit of darkness on the bottom, but I got the 73% or 93% fat ground beef. I don't know if that matters, but that's the one I went with. That's probably not too bad. And chicken fried bacon looks pretty good. I haven't tried one yet. I need to do that. Got my jus heating up. My garlic toast is all basically ready to go. I've got my mushrooms done. I got some American cheese. I should have grabbed Swiss, but I was debating spending. None of it was on sale. I couldn't see spending, you know, all that money on Swiss, even though I really like it. But hey, you know, you just have to roll with the punches sometimes. So let's wrap this up. I'm gonna put the mushrooms on. Sweet. Now I'm really just waiting for that sucker to melt a little bit. I could put a lid on it. That would speed up the process. Alright, the question is, am I going to be able to pull this off without spilling it or dropping anything? And operating the camera. And I did it. Of course, I forgot another crucial ingredient for the top, and that's going to be extra hot horseradish. So I'm just going to slather all over the top bun. Let's get that bacon. And I cooked way more bacon than I needed. But hey, that's alright. Dude. I gotta show you this. That. That's kind of oh man, that's comical. It's ridiculous. I got the table good here. Let's try the bacon, chicken fried steak bacon. Chicken fried bacon, I should have said. That sounds really good. Alright. We're gonna roll up our push up my sleeves. That bacon actually really is quite good. This burger dip mess. Look at that thing, man. The bread is kind of just falling apart. Wonder if I should cut it with a knife first. Yeah. Screw it. Let's just go for it. The bread is good, but it's kind of big. Is it huge? Yeah. Is it ridiculous? Also, yes. Is it delicious though? You bet. The bread could have been a little bit better, but it's hard to find a good hoagie roll around here that's not commercially made. I've got a last bite of chicken fried steak, chicken fried bacon, and I'm gonna go and sit down and eat dinner, or try to eat dinner somewhere. And I'll bring you back. I'll be back when I'm done. Well, I'll tell you what, I finished it, but it was brutal. Well, here's the cutting board I was eating off of. So, it was delicious though, really good. The bacon was chicken fried bacon, nice and crunchy. The meat was good. The horseradish had a nice kick. The au jus though, I think really helped because the bread was a little dense and kind of thick. But I'm gonna need I'm glad it's my day off because I can sit around in the food coma the rest of the night. Man, so, but hey, it was good, and recommend making one. So now I gotta clean up this horrendous mess. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check the description for the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, and I also been throwing Shovelhead 8's channel in the end card as well, just because he's kind of the one who's always starting things off. And we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.